Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. And as you know that we are learning chapter number 3, periodic table and periodicity of properties. Today we will discuss last topic of this chapter. The topic name is electronegativity. By name we can consider that electro mean electrons, negativity the attraction. So we will discuss what is electronegativity. Electronegativity is the ability of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself in a molecule. So simply we can say that the electronegativity is ability or capacity of atom by which it attracted the shared pair of electrons. The electrons that are shared mean to say that are bonded with covalently electrons are shared by both atoms. So if atom attract these shared pair of electrons towards itself in a molecule, that ability of atom will be called electronegativity. Now we will discuss the trend of electronegativity in period and group. Mean to say how does electronegativity behave in period of a periodic table and in group of a periodic table. So electronegativity also behave like ionization energy and electron affinity. Mean to say it also increases in period and decreases in group. But how do it increases in a period? It increase in period from left to right because of higher shielding effect or nuclear charge. We can say that ZEE, higher nuclear effective nuclear charge shortens distance from nucleus of the shared pair of electrons. As we know that shielding effect in period remains same in any atom, so shielding effect shortens the distance from nucleus of shared pair of electrons. This shielding effect will affect nucleus or electrons, and shared pair of electrons will be affected by nucleus lessly or highly. That's why the distance will be shortened. So if distance will be shortened, the ability of atom to attract electrons will increase. So that's why electronegativity increases in a period. Now we will discuss the trend of electronegativity in group. Electronegativity decreases in group of a periodic table from up to down. because size of atom increases in group, thus attraction for the shared pair of electrons weakens. So when shared pair of electrons will be weakens, the ability of atom to attract electrons will decrease. So students, this was our today's topic. In this topic we have learned about electronegativity, and electronegativity is attraction of an atom that attract the shared pair of electrons in a molecule. It increases in a period because higher shielding effect or effective nuclear charge shortens from the nucleus of the shared pair of electrons, that is distance, and it decreases in group because size of atom increases and attraction for shared pair of electrons will be weakened. So ability of an atom to attract shared pair of electron will be also decrease. So this was our today's topic. If you have any question you can ask again, and if you have any idea to improve my lecture you can comment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.